Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix the location access needed for weather app on any iPhone. Now to fix this issue, just open settings, then tap on privacy and security. From here, just tap on location services and make sure you enable location services. After you enable location services, the next step is to look for the weather app in this app list. After you find the weather app, just tap on it. Now, if the allow location access is on never, just select always or while using the app. And after you do that, you will fix the location access needed issue for the weather app. Now, if this did not fix your issue, then just force restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Now just press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. And this is how you can fix location access needed for weather app on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.